Sicon Courier integration can be used in conjunction with Sicon documents, and we can distribute additional documentation out, including courier tracking and additional courier information. So I've got a sales order already on, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to dispatch in the normal standard Sage way. But you'll see that we have the extra little courier labels tick box, as well as the email and archive, which is essentially what's going to give me the ability to automate emailing this out. For further information on document distribution, please refer to our help and user guides. So we're going to click Create Courier Labels. We're going to say which service we want to select and the number of packages, and this is the point where it's now going to connect to DPD. We've now got our label to attach to the packaging, and when we close this, it's now going to automatically send out to whatever role that you've suggested that you want your dispatch notes to send through to. So it simply picks up the role of the person back in Sage. And it can also send additional information out, such as, in this case, there's an image of the stock item, but it could also be instructions. It could be things like terms and conditions. So as you'll see, we've got our dispatch note in here, which is also included a footer and a header page. So we've got our footer page, we've got the dispatch note, and we've got the terms and conditions on the back. We've got our image, and there we go. There's the confirmation of the courier, which is DPD, delivery service, and then we've got the tracking information. Now, I've got mine set to save to my drafts folder, but you can have this automatically sending out as well.